Hello friends! So today we're going to try out this tire dressing by DIY Detail. I have used it a few times, quite a few times, and I really do like it. I think it's a good product, but let me show you what it does, and I'm going to apply it with just a simple microfiber pad. Now it says to apply directly to a clean tire and allow it to penetrate and then wipe it off. So I'm gonna go and wipe or spray all the tires. The timing for me after I wipe it off is directly after I finish all my 4 tires. So I go around and spray all 4 tires, and then I start again and go around and wipe. So there you go. Looks really good. It dries to like a satin finish. I really like the satin finishes. Ooh, there's some excess. Hang on. That happens. And when it does, just wipe it off. It will be fine. It will not hurt anything, even if you leave it there, but it could stain the tire, I imagine. There could be a few things that can happen. So let's look at the other 3 tires, and then we will let you go, and I'll kind of give you my final opinion. So there you go. You can see the satin finish on there. Looks good. Looks clean. Gives it a good look. See, it kind of looks glossy when you have the glare, but it still looks good. Yeah, it just depends on how the light hits it, but I really like it. I really like the finish that it leaves behind. So there you go. I hope you guys get a chance to give DIY Detail tire dressing a try. I really do like it. Like I said, it leaves a satin finish, like a matte finish maybe, and it feels good. There's no oily feel to it. And there you go. There you have it. The DIY Detail tire dressing is one of my favorite tire dressings. I have to give it credit. It's easy to use. You could even spray it on a towel and then apply it to the tire if that's what you want. Or go ahead and spray it on the tire, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then wipe it off, and you get a really nice finish. So, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. See you later.